wanted to demonstrate how to upload pictures into Google Classroom. One of the ways is if you download the Google Classroom app onto your phone. I found that's an easy way. I click on Google Classroom to open it up. I've enrolled in this one as a student in my second hour art design. When I go to that, I'm going to go to classwork and look for the ABC photo, the ABC photo project. And when I click on it like this, this is what it looks like. I have attachments here. If I pick, you can see I've submitted things already. I'm going to unsubmit them and then click unsubmit. And that's only there just because I had already put some pictures in there. Once I do that, it says add attachment, which it should just say even if you don't have any photos there. I'm going to say add attachment, and then it gives me a lot of choices, whether it's in my drive, wherever it's at. I'm going to choose pick photo, and from there it automatically takes me to my photos in my camera. My most recent photos I just now took, the pair of scissors, which was the letter X, so I go ahead and select it. And now it is uploading. I will tell you, you want to be connected to Wi-Fi when you do this, or it will take a while. I was connected to Wi-Fi. I don't know if I am anymore. But once it does, it loads. Then I click Turn In, and it's automatically turned in. I can still add multiple photos if I would like, but that's how you do it, and that's the easiest way. I'm not going to keep the video running right now. I'll pause it for a minute while this uploads because it might take a couple minutes. Okay, my photo finished uploading, and so I'm all set. It's there. I can either add attachment and add another photo, or I can turn in. And then I'm going to hit turn in, and now I have 8 photos there. So my photos are all there. They're ready for you've turned them in, and actually I'll be able to see them. And then anytime you want to add more photos, you can either do it through Google Classroom on the computer or through your phone or iPad, just by hitting unsubmit. I now want to show you how to upload photos if you have your photos on your computer. And how you go about doing that, you can either do it through, I do it through Google Photos. My photos automatically are sent to Google Photos. You could also do it by emailing them to yourself and saving them on your computer. Again, I'm logged in as a student, so I'm going to Mrs. Kowalski's class. I'm going to go to classwork. From here, I'm looking for the project ABC Photos. When I need to look down here at the bottom where it says View Assignment. When I view assignment, these are all the photos that I've turned in. Right here, here's the scissors I just did for the letter X that I just did on my phone, and you can see it's there. In the computer as well. So again, if I want to add more photos, I'm going to unsubmit and click unsubmit. The photos are still there until I hit an X on them. So that's not a problem that it's there. I'm going to do add or create, and from here I need to figure out where they are on my computer. I am going to go to Google Drive, and then I'm going to hit upload. You can see my scissors were there because I just did it. I'm going to click browse, and then it takes me to my this is my computer. Let's see if I can stretch this out. Oops, I can't. This takes me over here to my computer where I'm going to click on, and it depends on where you saved it. That went to my downloads. This is pictures. Here I have this loaded as alphabet photos. I know that I don't have any there because I haven't taken any. But what I might do is I'm just going to pick one of these pictures that's here, I think, and then I'm just going to do this, and it's uploading. Again, I have a bunch of pictures of my cat. So there's a picture of my cat right there that just uploaded. If I want to add another one, I click add or create, and I keep doing that until I have the photos that I want. If I look in here and I decide that I do not want this photo, I can always get rid of it, and now it's gone. Okay, and so that's how that works. And then when I'm ready to turn in, I turn it in, and it's going to verify again. I click turn in, and that's all you have to do. I do, while I'm here doing this video, I want to clarify, I'm going to unsubmit again. I'd like to look at this document. You are not putting your pictures on this document. This is just a place for you to keep track of. Like if I just now submitted the letter X, I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines because they move when you type on them. And instead of X, I took a picture of some scissors. So I'm going to type in the word scissors. And then that's all you have to do. Wait till it's saved up here. It'll say saved on Drive. And then you're all set. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click turn in again. And everything is submitted. So if I went back to look at the assignment one more time, if I go, oh, I can't do that. I accidentally clicked on the wrong thing. So I'm going to exit out to go back to that. And now I'm back here in my Drive, and I click turn in here and then turn in. And so all of my photos are there. I hope this clarifies. If you still have questions or any problems, let me know. Again, if you're doing this over the weekend, you can just talk to me next weekend or next week when we're in class. It's nothing to get upset about if you can't do it because we are just learning this together. But hopefully this was helpful.